Listen and practice speaking skills.
Hey Emily, it's such a beautiful day, isn't it?
Hi, Michael. Absolutely, the weather couldn't be more perfect. I love spending time outdoors, especially when the sun is shining like this.
Me too. There's something about nature that just brings a sense of peace and tranquility.
Definitely. So, what have you been up to lately?
Oh, the usual. Work, errands, trying to find some time for hobbies.
I can relate. Life has been pretty hectic on my end as well. But hey, speaking of hobbies, have you ever thought about learning a new language?
Funny you should mention that. I've actually been toying with the idea of picking up Spanish. I've always been fascinated by the language and culture.
That's awesome. Learning a new language can open up so many doors and opportunities. Plus, it's a great way to challenge yourself intellectually.
Yeah, and I've heard that being bilingual can have cognitive benefits as well.
Absolutely. So, have you started taking any classes or using any language learning apps?
Not yet, but I've been doing some research online. There are so many resources available nowadays, it's just a matter of finding the right approach that works for me.
That's the spirit. And hey, if you ever need a study buddy or someone to practice with, I'm here for you.
Thanks, Emily. I might take you up on that offer. So, what about you? Do you speak any other languages besides English?
Well, I'm fluent in French. I actually spent a semester studying abroad in Paris during college.
Wow, that must have been an incredible experience. Paris is such a beautiful city.
It was definitely a dream come true. Living and studying in a foreign country really helped me improve my language skills and gain a deeper understanding of the culture.
I can only imagine. So, do you have any tips for someone like me who's just starting out on their language learning journey?
Absolutely. My advice would be to immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Listen to music, watch movies, and try to practice speaking with native speakers whenever you can.
That makes sense. I'll definitely keep that in mind. Thanks for the advice, Emily.
Anytime, Michael. And remember, learning a new language is not just about mastering grammar and vocabulary, it's about embracing a whole new way of thinking and seeing the world.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't see you there.
No worries, it happens. Looks like we were both in a hurry.
Yeah, I'm running late for work. But hey, at least it's Friday, right?
Definitely. Can't wait for the weekend. Any exciting plans?
Not really, just hoping to catch up on some sleep and maybe binge watch a new series on Netflix. What about you?
Same here, although I might try to squeeze in a hike if the weather holds up.
That sounds nice. I've been meaning to spend more time outdoors myself.
Yeah, it's a great way to unwind and recharge after a busy week. Hey, speaking of outdoor activities, have you ever been rock climbing?
No, I haven't. Is it difficult?
It can be challenging, but it's also a lot of fun. I actually go climbing every weekend with a group of friends. You should join us sometime.
That sounds intriguing. I'll have to think about it. Thanks for the invite, though.
Of course. It's always more fun to climb with others. Plus, it's a great way to meet new people and stay in shape.
Yeah, I can see how that would be appealing. I'll definitely consider giving it a try.
So, what do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer. I work for a small advertising agency downtown. How about you?
I'm a software developer. I work remotely for a tech startup based in California.
That's cool. Do you enjoy what you do?
Yeah, I love it. I've always been passionate about technology and problem solving, so it's a perfect fit for me.
That's great to hear. It's so important to find a job that you're passionate about.
Absolutely. Hey, do you like sushi?
Love it. Why do you ask?
Well, there's this amazing sushi place not too far from here. Would you like to grab lunch together sometime?
I'd love to. Thanks for the invite.